Well, charts done, tomatoes done. Well, this is just a random day in the life. I did not record much, but the major parts are the ones that you're going to enjoy to watch, part of the lifestyle and part of how you can actually pass a funded account. I'll be giving you tips that I've used before. Anyways, like the video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe. And by the way, check in the description for the links to the broker I use, and also a link to a playlist that has days in the life videos if you enjoyed these kind of vlogs. Well, by now I know you can already tell what you're having. This is I know you're like more chemo, just some mashed potatoes and beef. I wanted there to be some greens, but unfortunately I was truly didn't anyways, yep, mash
Thousand years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches.
So I'm like listening to this song Libala. Not that it's been trending, or I don't know. Yeah, maybe doing magnific. And I'm like, what the hell you want to say? This song was like 7 years ago. Anyways, yesterday we made a mistake in the charts. Like, there was this conversation on X where people were talking about, like, when you trade away from where you're used to, like your desk, for example, if I go elsewhere and try to trade from there, chances are I'm going to lose that trade. I don't know how you agree with that. Do you agree with that or not? Anyways, let's just see. I'm saying the trade actually went my way afterwards. Tulikuwa hapa chini. Oh my goodness. See that push? See that massive push that we missed? Anyway, it is okay. We're just going to see what we could have done. But what the hell? That trade was mine. Anyway. So this is it. Like, I don't know. Do you guys buy stuff in bulk? No. I don't know why I bought this stuff. I just had one and another one, and now I'm having this one. but I enjoy snacking. I wasn't looking at USD on this time. The trade you're talking about, it's gold. Actually, we have been having some massive buys, and I'm telling you, I got out of this trade at 35. And right now we are at 900. Almost, no, we are at 49. As in, I mean 735. Now we are at 850. I'm sour to my subconscious. Right now I cannot take a trade. It's actually late. And I want to go the funded way. Tomorrow, when is tomorrow? Tomorrow is on Wednesday. Hey, but to call me. Thursday, Friday. Friday is not a good trading day. From some many I'm expecting, we are going to get that funded account, and we are going to pass. Next week we are passing the funded account phase 1. Actually, you have to trade for 3 days, so we are going just to place a random trade. Thursday, no, actually told you the other day, with 4 good trades you can actually just pass. So we need like 6 days to have a funded account, because you have to, that is for funding pips, you have to, the ones that I have passed before, you have to trade like 3 days. You traded for 3 days, and then you got the account, and then let me see, that time, let me just even show you. I don't know if I was still using this notebook when I did those challenges. I tried those, let me show you. It was some time. No, actually it's the beginning of this notebook. Not really, but at the beginning. Funded account. This was, let me not say when it was, I'll tell you guys later when I give you my story. So I was aiming for 5,000 funded account, okay, at 0.5% risk, account size 5,000, daily drawdown limit was 250, that is 5% of the account. So profit target was 10% of 500, okay. With that, the lot size, you could anticipate for Euro USD. Let me teach you something. Let me share with you something. I don't know if we'll be on the same page. Don't mind my handwriting, okay? Because I'll be placing this on the screen. So, if the lot size you're going to use, these are the lot sizes that I had planned. If I was going to have a stop loss of 10 pips, then the lot size of 0.25 would be okay for Euro US. Don't be afraid to risk. Do you know something about me? One of the people that I was training with told me, like, that is one of my greatest weapons. Being willing to risk. I'm telling you, not make 10k. Anyway, let's continue. If you want to make 20 pips, if your SL is this big, like that, the higher the SL, you continue to reduce. You can use a position. You can use position calculator every time. Okay, when you feel like you're not like well aware or whatever. I really hope you don't date college. Anyways, that was it. Let me pause and then turn. Well, the risk and trade management. Let's just look at funding pips on any funded accounts, how you can easily pass them. So the risk and trade management, maximum trades per day, maximum 3 trades. Okay, you go for 3 trades a day. Stop trading if you hit. Sometimes you write the rules that you need to remind yourself. So I'm just sharing with you as I remind myself how I passed the previous time. So if you hit 250 loss, that is the percentage that you've seen on the other side. Achana nayo. If you lose 2 trades in a row, go back and check what is happening. You know the same mistake I made with this trade I was telling you for the other day. I lost twice. Anyways, well, in any password, you should understand yourself emotionally. Well, trading schedule for me, you should also have a trading schedule. That's why I was thinking, like, in 6 days, which days am I going to trade? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, when, okay? So Monday was a no for me that time, but I also came to realize since the markets are aligning on Monday, it's not a good day to trade. But sometimes I normally feel like Mondays are my days, okay? So Tuesday strict Tuesday to Thursday have strict setups. Friday it's optional, okay? Saturday do your weekly review. Sunday setup analysis and watch list. Well, we have something called emotional rules. Do not feel desperate to recover. Aki huharibia watu wengi. Where? That one. Okay? Anyways. This one I guess I got it from someone else. Anyways, these are the things that I wrote when I was starting. I don't know what's up with my tongue right now. I'm gonna share with you as we continue. Check in the description the brokers I recommend. And also, oh my god, I normally tell people I'm the baby in my life. They don't understand. I've seen my life. How many papers? 1, 2, 3, the 4th. Anyways, also check in the description for bonus links. You know, it appears to mama my hopes. No, just imagine as a on lunch. Oh, really, it was dear right here. I was just pretending she wants to buy, but since it is broken, as me observing the chart and seeing what was happening. Well, I was away the whole day eating. Guys, I don't know if this video will end here, but see you. Bye.